Alright, so hi guys, welcome to the vlog, and it's Kingville Squad. Good afternoon guys. I am really excited this afternoon. It's a Saturday and I am currently gonna get dressed. You can see my marina because it's Jamaica at and so I really wanna. So I'm gonna be going to my cousin's secret birthday shower, surprise birthday shower, and so I'm gonna get ready now guys because it starts at 5 and now it's after 4, so you know say we're kinda late. You see them of course, but I'm gonna get ready. But anyways guys, I'm gonna get ready, so see you when I'm ready and dressed and ready to go. Guys, I've just arrived and I'm really excited, so I forgot to show you when we get ready, but a simple attire, nothing too difficult and too big. Simple blue shirt, jeans and my shoes. I can't see the shoes, but yeah, shoes. So should I reach it, and a lot of persons are not here yet, but I'm gonna show you guys the setup, which is pretty simple, pretty chill because of COVID baby shower, you know. Keep it simple, keep it clean, good food, good music, good vibes. Guys, see, I'm showing right now. Guys, so we're gonna be taking some photos right now. Look up pictures outside. And so Sanchi said she wanna take pictures, so I take picture for her. So we're gonna find a little area to take some pics and stuff. Eh? Okay. So where's the one picture? Alright guys, hold on. Say hello.
Hi guys.
Does Ali have to say?
Yeah. I know what else we have baby shower. It's so early still. There of our eyelash. But stay tuned and remember to subscribe. I like that look of something that down there, huh? And leave a comment. I can't tell you
Come on, set me
what is it? Disgusting.
That's a vlog. Liam Peter, man, no man. Liam Peter, no. This not fair. Your friend them come out, you are. Oh, you figure it out.
The worries. It's just that I didn't know it was here. When we are coming to see my girl, like, uncle-in-law. So I said, but this is a Rosie. Because I say, I don't know Rosie. So I said, well, you're going to Rosie. You're
I'm a
Chanel. Say hi.
Like and subscribe.
Guys, Chanel don't want the camera light for her.
Hey,
But her outfit nice though, guys.
talk to you.
Her outfit nice. Nice bad. So, yeah. Guys, you can't hardly see her because she not coming to the light.
Overall, me black.
Guys, have you the vibes, you know? So yes, guys. So we
Hold
gonna
down with them to me. My mom is child.
Sanjay, we're not gonna wear right to say whatever
Don't forget to
subscribe.
subscribe and like. Then put your and comments.
You know what I mean? I'm not putting it out there, I'm not wish to say it.
Comment below.
King Will Squad. King Will Squad.
Comment below you have
So guys, Mrs. Chanel outfit look nice, Sanjay outfit look nice.
yeah, we just different for everybody. It's all here.
They mean they must show cleavage.
Then we'll be a feet and my one.
From the rising of the sun to the going down, you are the same. Your name is worthy. Your name is above all name tonight. Mighty God of Daniel, I pray tonight, mighty God, as we gather here tonight. Yes, we are here. It's a celebration this evening. God has been good. And to my left, we have the Rosy Mother to be. So it's a shower. Let me use a shower. It is a shower. Yes, I'm not talking about the politics show. Yes, it's a baby show, and we are here to enjoy and to celebrate with Mrs. Jessica. So we are going to stand and we are going to be singing, first of all, to her. Let's stand everywhere.
A baby boy is about to be born.
Seems I hear somebody say,
Somebody say,
it is a shower day.
it is a shower day.
Congratulations to you. Congratulations, dear Jessie. Congratulations to you. Let me hear say woo. All right. So we are here to celebrate with you tonight, Jessica, and we hope we will have some fun. Now, the first game we are going to have, I want, let me see, 2 ladies, 2 men.
I don't
You
like
know
the
when you
game.
come up here.
I don't like the games at all.
Yes, but we want people where we can have some fun. I'm going to be giving you baby nipple bottles.
No, it's metal about.
And you have to drink as fast as you can. The first person who finishes, yes, will get a little token. Let me hear you say yay! It's all about the baby. It's all about the baby.
Boy!
The girl is saying, no, those are smaller. So yes. After the count of 3, you're going to suck. 1,
Oh no!
2, 3. Let's go, let's go. Yes. All right. Come on, give him a round of applause. Give him a round of applause. No, sir. Now I'm going to be handing out a clothespin to each person. Now what is going to happen throughout the course of the evening, you should not say the word baby. So if you say the word baby, somebody can take your pins. At the end of the evening, the person who has the most pins gets the prize. Now we want to do one more game before we go into some toast.
Baby, close. Dribble. Oh, you. No, I can't do that. That's a game. I can't do that. All right.
No, you're going to say something more if I see him redeem. You're going to say something else, I have to depend on redeem.
Yes, and I just point. Anybody who drops out of the rhythm, you are O-U-T-O. All right. Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeats, no repetition.
Okay.
Starting with baby close.
Nothing.
Let's start again. You have to do it right.
Don't repeat what she said. Just say one.
Yeah, you just say one. Yeah. You can't repeat. You man, don't repeat. No repetition. Understand? Understand it? Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. Starting with baby juice, cherry, apple, pineapple, orange.
Hey.
Concentration. Are you ready? If so, no repeat. Baby names. Bob. Bobby.
DJ.
You're out.
Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. Starting with baby clothes, chemise,
Donkey.
socks, brief. Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. Starting with baby porridge, cornmeal.
Done. Oh, you.
Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. Baby shoes, slippers. Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. Baby food, potato, chips.
Banana.
Hey.
Concentration. Are you ready? If so, let us go. No repeat. No repetition. That means baby rice. Humpty Dumpty.
Never hear you.
I said Humpty Dumpty.
Wives.
Baby rice.
No, Miss Wives.
No, but I said Humpty Dumpty would not be a rice. I said
Never hear. A wives. Wives.
Alright, come back. Concentration.
All right.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So, let us go. No repeats. No repetition. Baby cosmetics. Powder. Powder, please. Oh. Now, alright, what is going to happen is that you are going to estimate the size, but you have to cut the thread to the exact size, or the one that's nearest to it will get the price. So, stand up and good sister Jess. Some music.
Why you sure from the vlog?
Look at this. Estimate.